here. Split board there that may have to replace.
Oh, did it dry out too much or something?
Oh, what happened to it? I don't know if we need to do something with it or not.
Well, it's good to check it.
Alright, get that other one out.
That's the beauty of using screws. Take it apart if you need to. So that little piece is so you don't scar the decking.
Yeah.
Good enough. He's shorter.
That center one was shorter, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, because it was you were filling in the empty void. Nice. So you're snugging it up there? Is that what you're doing?
It's getting the gaps better.
Oh, okay. Making it tighter. Neat. It's gonna look cool when you have it stained.
Like that.
That's very orange.
Yeah, I'm putting that on.
I thought you were going with brown.
Well, it was supposed to be brown.
Did they not show it to you when they were? Oh, they did. Did they mix it, or is this pre-mixed?
This is a premix.
Different style of support under the porch.
Toenail it in there so it...
So you shimmed it right up underneath between the top block and the step.
Yeah. So it...
No, it doesn't move. Good.
It doesn't move.
Because we're boxing that in on Saturday.
Yeah.
Oh. rose bushes are pretty tough under there.
Yeah, I'm gonna do some more around it. It's a constant thing.
Yeah. No critters under there? Oh, this one.